Unlock more purchasing power at Walmart online by mastering the simple steps of using Affirm for split payments. First, head over to the Walmart website and fill your cart with everything you need, from groceries to electronics. Once you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section. Look for the option to pay with Affirm and select it if you're a new user. You'll be prompted to create an Affirm account or log in if you already have one. You'll then go through a quick, straightforward application process where Affirm will review your eligibility based on a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score to apply. Affirm offers various payment plans, typically allowing you to split your purchase into bi-weekly or monthly installments. You'll see the total cost, interest rate if applicable, and your monthly payment clearly displayed before you commit. Choose the plan that best fits your budget and click to confirm your payment. And that's it. Your order is now financed through Affirm, allowing you to spread the cost of your Walmart purchases over time with transparent terms and predictable payments, making those bigger buys much more manageable.